All right, you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whoop whoop. No, all right. So, something's in my eyeball. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry. I am here because I've started trading options and doing stocks and all of that good stuff. So I've been posting a lot about that, and I've had a lot of questions about how do you set up your Robinhood account? How do you purchase your first stock? So your girl just said, why don't come to YouTube? So here I am, bringing you guys the YouTube video on how to create your Robinhood account for beginners. So with this video, it's going to be super quick. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Robinhood account. And first thing first, you do have to be 18 years old to set up an account with Robinhood. And I've also had lots of questions. Did you have to put your social security number in there? Yes, I had to put my social security number in there because you do have to file taxes on this at the end of the year. And you also have to have an active bank account. So that way you can have your money coming in when you need to put it in, and you can have your money going out when you're ready to take it out. And I'm gonna also show you guys how to enable the options feature. So once you learn that, you'll know how to go ahead and just, start making them calls and causing them puts with the options, All right. Let's get started, y'all. And actually, before we get started, if you don't have a Robinhood account already, go ahead and use the link below to download the app. That way, by using the link below, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. Win-win for both of us. All right, you guys. So be sure to click that link in the bottom, just in case you don't have the Robinhood app already. And I also put the link for Webull as well. If some of you guys are feeling a little advanced and you want to go on over to Webull, I'll put my link for Webull down there as well. So right here, you're going to go ahead and put in your password, and then what pops up is my watch list. So this is everything I'm watching. So then you're going to go ahead and go to the little guy on the right hand corner. You're going to go ahead and click on transfers. Right here you have transfer to Robinhood, transfer to your bank. Go ahead and scroll down and click add bank. You'll go ahead and search for your bank. So press continue, look for your bank, whichever bank you're a part of that you want to connect to your Robinhood account. Click that. If you don't see your bank on there, just go ahead and type in the name of your bank and it should pop up. Click that, and then you're going to be required to put in the username and the password for your actual login information for that particular bank. Then we'll go ahead and go back to investing. And when you scroll down here, these are for the people who are going to do options. It'll say enable options. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll be an application to fill out. Right here, you have your day trades when you're doing options. So you only get 3 day trades every 5 days. So you can click to see how many day trades you have done. So now we're going to go ahead and search for a company. Amazon is it, because everybody knows Amazon. So right here, the Amazon stock is 2,483. You can go ahead and scroll down. You could get any news information that Amazon has. Right here, the analyst showing you whether to buy or to hold. Then we also have earnings, which we're not going to go into that since this is just simply setting up your Robinhood account. So we'll scroll back to the top, and we're back at Amazon. We have 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and 5 years. So you can check to see how Amazon has been doing throughout that period. When you're ready to purchase, go ahead and click trade, then click buy. And then you can enter the amount of shares that you would like to purchase. So you can put in 1, and that market price is what you'll be paying when the market opens. If it's not open at that point, then you'll press review. I don't have enough money to buy this particular stock, so you'll click bank deposit. So your money can go in and you're able to purchase this stock. Now let's go back out. We can go ahead and scroll back down. This particular stock doesn't have dividends, so let's go ahead and search something else. We're going to type in Ford. So Ford Motors, when you scroll down, you'll see that the dividend yield is 12.12, which means this company has to pay out dividends 4 times a year, which is quarterly. You can scroll down to see the news that's going on with Ford. We have the analysts who say 21% buy, hold, sell. Then you'll go to buy. You can type in the number of shares that you would like to purchase. As you see, the market price is $7.34. Again, swipe up to submit. All right, you guys, so if you were able to benefit from what I just showed you, go ahead and click that subscribe button at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to watch my other videos. They aren't pertaining to stocks. They're a little, about traveling and things of that nature. But a few of the things that I was covering in the video in regards to like dividends, the news outlet, the analyst, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on creating more videos so I can go more into depth about those certain things, and you guys will be able to understand what those are about. So until then, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. All right, bye.